Hi everyone and welcome to a new vlog. In today's video I would like to show you from one chicken how I make 4 different dishes, 4 delicious dishes. We're gonna break it down in pieces and after we're gonna go through the ingredients for each single dish. I got here the carcass and the small bits for the stock. Here we got 2 nice breasts, 2 tiny fillets from the breast, 2 chicken wings split in half, 2 drumsticks and 2 chicken thighs. And for the first dish I got here the 2 thighs and the 2 drumsticks. I got some fresh thyme, 3 whole garlics and 1 white onion. I'm gonna seal the chicken. I'm gonna add after the thyme, the garlic just cut in half, and the onion I'm gonna put it raw in the tray. Season well and in the oven. I'm gonna put some oil in the pan. Make sure it's very hot. You need to give a good seal on the chicken, so like that you're gonna have a nice and crispy skin. The chicken is seared on both sides. Now we're gonna move it on a tray. Now the tray is going in the oven for 40 minutes on 180 degrees. After 40 minutes, our roast chicken is ready. For the second dish, we're gonna need some leek. We're gonna use 2 spring onions, 3 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, 1 chicken breast, and 100 milliliters of double cream. We're gonna start chopping the vegetables. Separate, we're gonna seal the chicken and we're gonna add it after to the lick. A drop of white wine in it. Now you can see it, the lick, it's already soft, so you can put the chicken back on top. You put the lid on and you leave it to simmer for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you take the lid off and you can add the cream. Just shake the pan a little bit and put it on low heat and leave it for another 10 minutes. After another 10 minutes our chicken is ready. I'm gonna put now some parsley just for decoration on top. And this is our creamy licks with chicken breast. For the third recipe, I will need 100 grams of chopped smoked bacon, 2 spring onions, 2 cloves of garlic, 5 cherry tomato, 2 champignon mushrooms. Make sure you clean them properly with the brush if they got sand or something. Few spinach leaves. I got here the 2 mini fillets of chicken and the 2 wings. And vegetable stock. Couscous, I'm gonna use 100 grams from the Israeli one. It's much bigger than the normal one and I prefer this. Let's get cooking. I will put just a drop of oil, the smoked bacon in, and I'm gonna leave it until it's caramelized nicely. When the bacon is almost caramelized, go in with the wings. Now we'll give a good mix and we can put the couscous in. and the tomatoes. The cherry tomato, I'm gonna leave them whole. I will put the lid back on and we'll be ready in 12 minutes. For the last recipe, I'm gonna need half a cup of flour, all-purpose flour, 100 milliliters of milk, 2 eggs, and the chicken breast which was left, salt and pepper, and yes, I'm gonna do buttered chicken. In this bowl I'm gonna do the butter. I'm gonna add a little bit more than half of the flour because I need some for dusting, which I'm gonna put in this bowl. We're gonna put 2 eggs in. Milk. Salt and pepper. And we're gonna mix. Now I'm gonna season the flour. Mix that well. I put a pan with 100 milliliters of oil on. The oil is hot. So now I'm gonna dust the chicken with flour. I'm gonna put it in the butter and straight in the oil. Make sure the oil is not too hot, because if it's too hot, we'll burn the butter and the chicken will stay raw. So buttered chicken, it looks ready, it is ready. I did check the temperature, so we can take it out. So here I got all the 4 dishes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like, a share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on Wednesday with a new video.